life, bounded by the living outer boundary. The cell is a structural and functional unit of life, bounded by the living outer boundary called the cell membrane, plasmalemma, or plasma membrane. The cell contains a nucleus, which acts as the controlling center of the cellular factory. The protoplasm found between the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane is called the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains many organelles, such as endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, centrioles, golgi complex, mitochondria, microbodies, lysosomes, etc., which take part in carrying out the life functions of the cell. Thus, a cell as a sort of chemical factory has its own controlling center, communicating systems, transport systems, manufacturing centers, powerhouses, etc.